package off Amazon, and it finally came in, and let's unbox it together. Okay guys, these are what my Rubik's Cubes look like, and those seed cubes. Okay, here's my cubes. Here's the QIYI CUBE. Get it out. It's way softer. So soft. I can't do this perm fast. Pretty nice. And the 4x4, I will not mix it up, but I will turn it. Here's the reason why I won't mix it up, because I don't know how to solve them yet. And yeah, these Rubik's Cubes feel so good. And here is the 5x5. Feels nice. There's also a manual for these, the Rubik's Cubes, but I don't need it for these two. But I might only need it for these two, because I don't know how to solve it yet. And I'm really happy, because I've always wanted to do Rubik's Cubes. To the original Rubik's Cubes, it goes really slow, but look. What's this? Smoother, and this one's way faster, but not smooth. This one's faster, but smooth. Yeah, I like these Rubik's Cubes. They're just fast, smooth. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.